ICS? All right, have you forgotten, when I say ICS, you say Eagles. So I don't care if you're just getting out of bed this morning or if you're in the car and you're already on your way to collect textbooks here at school. Let's try that again. Type into the chat, Eagles. When I say ICS, you say Eagles. ICS? Let's try that one more time. ICS? And here he is, the ICS Eagle mascot, and I, Mrs. Karen, would like to welcome you to the 2021-22 school year. It's an unusual start to the year, but I think today we have got some really terrific activities for you to help welcome you in and make you feel a part of our community. So, if you haven't already gotten onto the chat, please make sure you do and you say hi. All of your teachers are on there this morning. They are all excited to welcome you in. If you're a new student, please introduce yourself. And if you're a returning student, make sure that they all feel really welcome and comfortable. Mrs. Devon and Mr. Chris are on the chat to moderate that, so keep it ICS appropriate, as I know you will. Keep the tone positive as we go throughout. You can ask questions, anything that you'd like about today in particular. So, welcome back. Eagle and I are excited to see you this morning. We have got some virtual events and we've got some on-site events. And the big one is that at 10 o'clock, grade 6, we are here to welcome you as our incoming middle school freshmen. What we'd like you to do, 10 o'clock for grade 6, is that you're going to come in and you're going to drive into the front of the school. And the first thing you're going to see are some big tents where Ms. Susanna is going to be waiting for you there to help you collect your schedules. If you're a returning student in grades 7 or 8, you can already download your schedule off of RenWeb, but everyone will get a paper copy of their schedule when they come in this morning. At 10 o'clock, grade 6, you come around that corner. If you have an art class, you're going to get art supplies, you're going to get instruments, you're going to get textbooks. Anyone who's purchased from our senior council and they've bought t-shirts or stationery, they'll be able to pay for those using their QR code and pick them up around the back. And of course, if you've had books out this summer, all of our avid readers, Mrs. Becky and Mrs. Sujiman want your books back. So please bring those into the Media Center tent drop-off on your way through today. So that is at 10 o'clock for grade 6. By 10:45 for grade 7, you guys are also going to now come on campus and drive through and pick up everything that you need to start the school year. And that means 11:30, our senior grade 8s are going to come in and we're going to have a chance to welcome you. It's going to be a really fun atmosphere. We've got more than a few surprises for you as you drive in. If you can't drive into school and you all usually walk to school from Parkland or ICT, don't worry, Mr. Taylor and Mr. Jason are waiting for you out the front today. They'll help you collect your supplies as well. So, textbook collection, extremely important that you come today. If you're not able to come, you make sure you get a friend to pick up everything that you need and all the resources so that you are prepared. Our goal today is to get you ready for the first day of school, and that's on Monday. So Monday, we want to make sure that you have everything you need. You have your Gmail accounts, you have your Google Classroom, you have your schedules, you have everything you need to start the year right. So, with your advisors, actually let's back up a little bit. After textbook return, we're going to take obviously a well-deserved lunch break to cool off. Then at 1:30, grade 6, I'm talking to you, grade 6, parents and students at 1:30. You need to come and join me and whoever is behind this eagle costume, and we're going to be waiting there for you on a big Zoom call and welcome you in specially. So we have a special grade 6 orientation planned just for you at 1:30. Parents, you'll stay on with me, and I really want to give you some great information on how to get your kids ready for Monday, because this is uncharted territory for us. It's our first time launching a school year online, and grade 6, you are going to need a little more support than everyone else in getting used to the technology that we're using in middle school. So parents, it's really important that if at all possible, you can be with us at 1:30. If you can't, of course, it'll be recorded for you and I'll send that out. But At 2 o'clock, all of our students from grades 6, 7, and 8 will head to their advisories, and we'll have an online virtual advisory open house session. This one's another vital meeting that you don't miss today. If you're still not sure, who's my advisor? How do I find out where to go? Go to your email, or your parents' email, or your Google Classroom, any of those 3 places, and you will find a welcome letter from your advisor. It was sent on Wednesday. So on Wednesday, those letters went out, and in the letter, there will be a code, a meeting code, and you can join that and join your advisor, because our advisory program this year is going to be more important than ever. That advisor is your person. If you're lost, if something's not working, if you're not sure about something for your schedule, go see your advisor first. Log on, send them an email, send them a message. Your advisors are probably saying hi to you on the chat right now. So, your advisors, that first advisory is really important to make sure that everyone's schedule is ready to go. Everyone knows their classroom meeting codes for Monday morning. Because Monday morning, we are launching into learning this year. And what do we pray for you? Because we pray for you all summer. What is it that we're praying for? Well, first, we're obviously praying for peace. We're praying for peace in your heart. This is an anxious time for everyone. We're praying for the nation of Thailand, for safety. That's our #1 priority. And as you drive through today, you'll see all sorts of COVID measures in place to take care of that. Of course, we're praying for community. We want you to feel welcomed into this community. We want you to feel a part of this community, even though this is an online forum, an online means of reaching out to you. We want you to feel like you are a part of our ICS middle school family. Because really, I've got the best job in the world. I work with the best teachers in the world, and you as the best students in the world, no exaggeration. And we really, really are proud of this community. But we're going to need, another thing we pray for, resilience. There's going to be some challenges ahead, no doubt. And you're going to need to grow. And you're going to need to demonstrate some grit. But we are confident that you are going to find yourself growing in ways like you've never grown before. So this year we're praying for resilience for you. And of course, we do pray that you feel really safe, you feel really comfortable with your teachers, that you can ask for help when you need it, that you can reach out and ask for assistance when it's necessary. Here at ICS, we believe we are better together and that we are a team of learners. We're out on a journey. What? Eagle, I'm trying to do something here. I've got all these students, wait. All right. What, Mr. Darwin, can you come with us? I don't know, there's something strange happening on the field. Okay, let's go. What is it? Who are those guys? Take a look out there. I'm not sure who you are, but this is a closed campus. I'm afraid it's only teachers allowed on campus.
We are a fellowship of travelers, but our fellowship has been broken.
We are looking for our companions, for our helpers. Have you seen them?
Wow, we have a lot of students normally here on campus. I don't know if any of them are who you're looking for. What have you been seeking?
Covidicus has damaged our fellowship, and we searched the knowledge stone.
Well, I'm not sure how to help you. Can you tell me more about the story? How did you get here?
Let me tell you.
Legends say the ancients that inhabited these lands could walk the earth and sky. As their ruins become a fading memory, some still hold on, hoping to learn their secrets, and that one day they might even return. I I never thought it would be in my lifetime. When the tower appeared, the elders asked some of us to journey ahead to see what we could learn. Even though we survived the trip, we were never prepared for what we'd eventually find. It turns out we aren't alone. Other travelers had also heard the call, and the ancients knew we would all answer. We had so many questions, and yet it was somehow clear. We were being guided to find the answers together. None of us know what awaits us next, what secrets, treasures, or powers we may find. But one thing is for sure. Once we do, things will never be the same.
Wow, that is an incredible story. You must be all so tired. I think our ICS middle school students would love to help you. So ICS middle school,
Join our quest!